All right, that's another one. Whoa, just some logs with the ropes up like that on the wires. Come through, and you go through these. How you doing? Yeah, the passenger seat pocket. All right. Whoa. Really moves a lot, don't it? Yeah. Log on the chain. They got it so it don't go too far by the rope at the bottom here. Kind of cool. How did they make that? Ah, they put a hook. All right, so don't go all the way to the ground. Smart. Wait, you gotta wait for Kenna to move first. One at a time, wait.
Whoops.
You gotta go all the way, Kayla.
Got it.
There you go. Whoa! It almost got you, didn't it? Yay! Oh, you did that one real good. Go ahead, Cece. Okay, what happens here? Then you climb here. And you climb around. Look at that. They made that for the feet to climb. Easy, Kenna. Even little Kayla can do it. Okay, then you get right up on that. Whoa! All right.
Yay. Well,
yay, you gotta get off.
Got it. Doing one hand is hard though.
I know. Do you want me to take your pad?
Sounds fine.
All right. Good going. Child, so you don't do the split. Teepy, 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 teepy. Okay, wait, Kenna, wait. Give people a chance to go down. Okay, now it's time to climb it.
Get up. I have to do this with one hand.
Oh, I don't know. Kayla can do it. Can you climb a rope, Kayla? All right.
I think I can do that.
Wow. I'll show Uncle Chief you did better than he did when he had to do it in boot camp. He's going to want to see that one.
Yeah, this one's got hard. Give me your thing. Give me your thing.
Had to go down that way, huh? She make it?
Yeah. Did it.
Ha.
Are you?
Can you do it, Cece?
This one's round though. I don't know.
Honey, use your feet to go on the knots of the rope to pull yourself up, just
See?
like the one at the house.
Yes, just like that. Just like that.
Not at all. Oh my gosh. No, but that's not.
Yeah, that was a good save.
It was little. It is little, so.
Yeah, I like how this is
That's
made.
just little opening.
How that's made like that. Pull right through the wood. Whoops.
Nice job there, Valerie. Oh, Daddy.
Yeah, I'm just.
Like a lobster.
Still holding on to your pad. Good going.
They put it in the middle of the trees, so.
Yeah. So when you get to the top, you got a balance type thing for yourself.
I don't think I'm gonna make that. You don't want us to get hurt.
Why? Because it's too skinny?
No, it's a log.
Can you do the log?
Maybe. Whoa, that's a wiggly log.
Yes, but it's set so it only wiggles so far, and that's that.
Got it.
Yeah. And then back up and a whole bunch of these.
These are easy.
Moving on you, ain't it?
Yes. It's standing still now. No, stay. No. I made it. Did it.
Use the knots. Good going, Kenna.
Oh.
All right.
Almost head first. Head bump.
Okay. Good job, everyone.
Whoa.
Alrighty, some more adventure in the woods. See, this is all in the woods. All for kids to have fun. Different play yards in the woods as you go through the trails. What a wonderful thing to have. Alrighty, bye-bye.